Hello everybody, my name is Lyndon Chastain and this week we're gonna try print on demand. In the past on this channel, I've tried selling posters, Lightroom presets, and now we're gonna try selling shirts or print on demand. Before I get started designing the store, I'm going to give you guys a quick overview of what print on demand actually is. Print on demand is essentially where you design merchandise, so shoes, shirts, hoodies. I'm gonna be doing shirts in this video, and then you market it to people. So in this video, I'm gonna market on Instagram. Now the beautiful thing about this business model is that you don't actually order any shirts until somebody buys them. So there's a very small chance that you're gonna lose money. Once somebody orders your merchandise from your website, then you buy it from the third-party print on demand service. I'm gonna use Printful in this video, and then they ship it directly from them to the customer, so you never come in contact with the product. Hopefully I can make some sales this week. I'm not an e-commerce expert, so we'll see how it goes, and I will keep you guys updated along the entire process. Let's get into this video. So today is Thursday, and today marks the first day that we're gonna start working on this challenge. I am currently sick, so this is the perfect project to work on while I'm resting in bed and just staying home. The first order of business that we have to do is actually design the t-shirts. So I don't know the first thing about designing a t-shirt, so I'm gonna outsource that off of Fiverr, and I'll show you guys the listing that I'm gonna use. I think this is the best option when doing print on demand, especially if you don't know much about artwork. And these people, it's their job, so most likely you're gonna get some pretty good designs. We just finished ordering that Fiverr listing, and that has a 3-day delivery. So in the meantime, I'm not gonna sit around and do nothing. So I'm gonna start designing the store. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the Fiverr order just came through. I have not taken a look at it yet, so you're gonna get my live reaction to that right now. Let's take a look. Okay, I like the Tuscany one. I like it, I like the flowers. Rome, I definitely like. I think that one, it's a little plain, but I think it works with that kind of minimalistic style. Capri, I think that is my favorite one. That one is really freaking cool. Lago di Como, I kinda like it, kinda don't. Overall, I'm happy with it. Alright, the Positano one, not a fan of. I don't think I'm gonna use that one. I don't think I could use that one. And the Cinque Terre one, I like that one a lot. So I'm pretty happy. Overall, I have to say, I think it was worth the money, and hopefully I'll be able to make that money back plus a bunch more. So let's finish up this website, get these products listed, get some advertising, and then go. Camera's about to die, so I have to charge it, but I'll come back to you guys after I finish getting all these products done and then uploading them to the website. Well, I have just finished up creating all the products and finishing up the entire website. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of that right now. So for all my subscribers who have been watching me for a while, you know that I've already created this website. This is my Instagram website. It's the Dreams in Italian website, which is my Instagram page. But every time I sell a product, I revamp the website and make it look a bit different. So I kept the same cover art on the website this time, then I changed it to the Italian collection, put some model photos right here, gave a little description. I'm actually very proud of this description. I think this will help sell the product a lot because it kind of caters to people's love of the country. Then under that, I just have the Capri tee, which is my favorite. I couldn't figure out how to get the darker background on this one, so I just went with white. And I think it looks alright. So you go down, you can change the sizes, change the color, it switches, which is cool. Add to cart, buy now, or go to the product page. Now that I'm done with the website, all I have to do is create some ads, which I think I'm just gonna use the first product photo, or example, this kind of photo with the blurred background and then the shirt. And I'm just gonna do each of the 5 designs and post those on my feed and then also on my story. So I'm gonna go ahead and email those to myself, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm about to post these. Good morning, everybody. As you can tell from my bedhead and my raspy voice, it is 9:30 in the morning. So I am going to post the ads on Instagram and hope that we get some sales. I actually think we will, honestly. All right, that is what I'm gonna post. So let's go ahead and post these. Okay, so we have everything all set to go, and now I'm going to post. That's posted. Now all we gotta do is post the stories, so let me do that really quick. All right, amazing. We are all set, so that's really gonna do it. Forgot to tell you guys this, actually. I added a mug to the store as well, so we also have an Italy mug. So that's just like a little extra thing that I added on there. Just in case anybody doesn't want to buy a shirt but still wants to support, they can buy that mug. And that's really it. It's Thursday, so the challenge was done in 1 week. For the first time on my channel ever, I actually stayed within a deadline. So I'm excited to see what we bring in at the end of the day. Stay tuned and find out. It has been about a week since I first posted the ads, so let's go over the results. In total, we had 94 store sessions, and that led to 0 orders. So it turns out we actually did not sell anything. I think that is probably a mix of the product's fault and the ads' fault. Honestly, the ads could have been a lot better, and I think I might try selling them again with some better ads, but that's not gonna be in this video. Unfortunately though, we did not sell a single thing, which kinda sucks. I was really hoping to at least sell one thing, because that always makes for a better video, but I'm trying to be transparent with you guys, and sometimes you just don't sell anything. And that's fine, you try again, you learn from your mistakes. Next time I'm gonna do some better ads, I'm gonna spend much longer on the ads. And I also learned that shirts probably don't sell that well on a travel page. I definitely will keep trying to sell different products on my Instagram to try to find out what works best. So far, the best product has been the posters, which sold about like $400, which is pretty good. And the second best was Lightroom presets, which only made 1 sale, so I'm not really counting those as a good product either. But we're gonna keep experimenting, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe for more videos if you wanna see what products I try in the future. I always have so much fun making these videos, so even when I fail, it still is kind of a win because I got to make a good video out of it. Thank you all so much and have a great day.